Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to start a meeting on the Webex Meet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the start a meeting button that you can find in the home page. So click on it. And then, as you can see, it is your personal room. If you click on this connect to a device button, you can enter a video address and select a device here. And if you click on this speaker icon, you will be able to select from these two options, use internet for audio or don't connect audio. So click on the relevant one, and there is the camera icon next to the start button, meaning that if you want to turn on your camera, you can press this button. And if you are done with all these options, click on the start button, and then you will be able to start your meeting. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.